step-by-step guide to creating a presentation in Google Slides. So firstly, open up Google Drive. So go to your Google Drive. Once you're on Google Drive here, so what we're going to do is click on new option here. So on your top left, click on new and then go and select Google Slides. Hover over on Google Slides and you will get the option a blank presentation or from template. Choose from a template, tap on it and you will get to these Google Slides here. So you can create a presentation based on a blank template, so you can do everything from scratch. So you can do that if you can select blank presentation, or you have a lot of templates here and simply select a template and then customize the template, which is a much convenient way. So we'll just do that for this video here. So for example, just open up any presentation. So I will choose one template here. I will choose this template here. So click on the template, just choose any template. So click one of them once you have selected, and you will get to this editor page here. So this is very similar to PowerPoint. All we have to do now is simply change the content, customize it, and then save it, and that's how we create it. So to do that, we're going to start off with to change the title. So this is the first slide. You can click on the slide to select it, and then now to change this title, all you have to do is simply click on the title, and then you can highlight it and then replace it with your title. Okay, the same thing here. If you want to add a subtitle, you can do that too. That's it. Then once you're done with the first page, go to the second page, second slide. Okay, here you can type in same thing. You can type in your title, your content. That's it. You're done with that, go to your third slide here. So this is the third one. So this is your intro. If you want the intro, you can leave it as intro, or else you can just click on it and then you can change the words. And also if you want to resize it, all you have to do is simply click on these, like click and drag it to resize it, and also you can move it around. Just click and drag it to move it around. So it's, as I said, it's fully customizable. Okay, and here you can simply type in your contents and everything. So if there is a slide that you don't want, you want to delete it, all you have to do is simply right click on the slide and then click on delete, and that's it. The slide will be deleted. Or if you want to add a slide, simply what you can do, right click on a slide just before the slide where you want to add it, click on new slide, and then a new slide will be added. So in that way you will be able to fully customize, add and delete slides. Okay, and once that's done, so if you want to add like graphics, for example, if you open this up and here there is a picture, so as I said, you can also change the picture. Click on the picture. You can delete this picture and replace it with your own picture. So what you have to do is simply click on it. Okay, and then you can delete it, and then all you have to do now is go to insert. Okay, and then select image, and then click on upload from computer, and then now select any image that you want to add, open it up, and then this will open up it, and then you can just paste it here. So you can now just click and drag it to move around, and also resize it by clicking and dragging, so you can replace with your own picture, and that's how you can add graphics to your slides as well. So once you're done with everything, so what you're going to do now is next share it. So you can either click on the share option here, so click on the share option, and then you can click on copy link to share a link with anyone you want to who can access this presentation. Or if you want to make a copy of it, you can do is click on file and then click on download, click on file, click on download, and then select Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so you're going to create a PowerPoint copy of this presentation, and that's it. Your presentation has been saved on your device here, and that's how you download this presentation, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.